Hello viewers, we'll be going over JNUG and JDST. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week, and we'll be going over the day-by-day probability models for JNUG and JDST. So let's start off with the technical analysis. On Friday, JNUG closed below 20 basis points. On the 1 hour chart, we have approached to positive MACD, and at the moment we are nearing overbought RSI. If we examine that onto the 4 hour chart, at the moment we are resting along the 150 moving average, this red line, and we see a convergence on a negative MACD on the 4 hour chart after touching oversold RSI back in August 10th. If we expand that onto the daily chart, what we have here is we have yet to test the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, so that is one possible support level, and we saw a divergence back in August 7th, so we may approach to negative MACD. And as for the 9 and 18 moving average, we see the 9 moving average diverge onto the 18-day moving averages, so the blue and purple lines respectively. So for the trade idea of the week, for my long entry onto JNUG, my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my entry will be $123.76. That is around slightly below the 50-day moving average, around this range right here. And my sell target will be $158.59. That is around a range where the 9-day and 18-day moving average converge. And as for the stop loss, will be $113.23. So around this range right here. So for the day-by-day probability model for JNUG, as we progress to the 5th day, we have a 50% chance for JNUG to climb between 11% to 22%. On the other hand, to the downside, a 50% chance for it to fall between negative 11% to negative 22%. So it's evenly split. And so now let's examine JDST. On Friday, it closed above 2.7%. or 27 basis points. And as for the 1 hour chart, we're in negative MACD and we are seeing sideways action on there. If we expand out to the 4 hour chart, what we have here is we saw a divergence back on Thursday and is approaching to negative MACD, and we have yet to test the 50 moving average as support. On to the daily chart for JDST. At the moment we see a slight convergence, the 9 moving average converging onto the 18-day moving average, and that is somewhat a positive sign for JDST. So if we examine let's zoom in a bit for JDST and examine the day-by-day, or I should say the trade idea of the week. So for JDST, my entry will be $9.47. That is around that range where we encountered support back in August 5th and August 6th. That will be my entry for JDST, and my sell target for that is $11.94. That is around the range right here where we encountered previous resistance that dated back to July 23rd. And my stop loss for JDST will be $8.82. So that is below where we made all-time lows. So for the day-by-day probability model for JDST, what we have here is as we progress to the 5th day or a week of trading, we have, say, if we examine a higher percent error. As we progress to the 5th day or a week of trading, we have a 27% chance for it to climb between 0 to 33%. And to the downside, we have a 55% chance for it to fall between negative 0 to negative 33. And on the extreme case, a 18% chance to fall between negative 33% to negative 66%. So in this video, we went over JNUG and JDST. These models are available in the link below, so do check it out. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.